Here's a great deal on a 2012 Toyota Prius plug-in. With fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this pre-owned model still has plenty of miles remaining as reliable transportation. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. The following features are included: one-touch window functionality, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Call now to schedule a test drive.